The research house undertook the survey after several presidents said that citizens had asked them to stay on.
We've been hearing from a number of presidents recently that they are talking about extending presidential limits, and that the reason for this is that the people want them to stay on in order to complete particular developmental or governance tasks.
The survey findings found otherwise.
In the countries where people were asked this question, around 70% were in favour of term limits, and it didn't matter whether their presidents had term limits or didn't. The numbers were still remarkably high.
South African data was surprisingly low, and this probably has more to do with the strength of the country's constitutional democracy. Or is it something else?
Perhaps it's also because we haven't had a president who's outstayed his welcome yet. Countries which have had presidents for life, or people trying to stay on after they've committed to a term limit, those countries tend to be more interested in restricting the terms of their presidents.
It seems that citizens across the continent are starting to say enough is enough when it comes to terms in power, and governments are starting to have to pay attention, otherwise they're probably going to get voted out of power. I'm Angelo Coppola for CCTV in Braamfontein, Johannesburg.